Hurricane Orlene has made landfall on Mexico's Pacific coast near the tourist town of Mazatlan, with winds of more than 80 miles per hour or 130 kilometers per hour. Electrical cables swayed and sent off showers of sparks in the town of El Rosario, about 40 miles or 65 kilometers south of Mazatlan, close to where the hurricane hit. Orlene lost some strength after roaring over the Islas Marias, a former prison colony being developed as a tourist draw. The main island is sparsely populated, mainly by government employees, and most buildings there are made of brick or concrete. The hurricane's winds slipped back to 85 miles per hour as it hit land about 45 miles or 75 kilometers southeast of Mazatlan on Monday morning, according to the U.S. National Hurricane Center. Authorities did not immediately report any damage, but along the coast they suspended classes, closed seaports and set up shelters.